Hello? 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 Dang. That's how bad it's been leaking. Oh my gosh. That is bad. Okay. Alright, no problem. I know what to do. Okay. I've had this for literally a year. Okay. There you go. Water's off. Oh. Oh. All right. This won't take long. Please be patient. So installing one of these is very easy. You just unthread these right here, these little nuts. I use Nip-X, and then you have the new faucet here. You just put the little rubber washers in here, and then thread it back on where these are. And you can change out these, but there's really no reason to. I usually just leave them. We'll let this drain down a little bit more and then swap it out. Simple as that. There you go. Simple as that. Anybody can do that. Anybody can do that. All right, let's turn the water back on and test it. Simple as that. It's a nice one. It's decent. Pro Flow, which is the Ferguson brand, but it's decent, right? Overpriced, but looks pretty clean. They're kind of nice. All right. How much would you guys charge for this job? Cost of the faucet plus a little markup because, you know, you had to go get it. And cost opportunity of money. You've had that sitting around for a year. You turn off the water to the building, install that. What would you guys charge? A minimum service fee plus a little something, right? Comment below. No, I'm just joking. You can if you want. All right, later.